Welcome back to True Next. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
And I'm here with BeautyFix. Just got it today, so at least we're filming on time. Let's see if we can upload it on time.
Hopefully. And just to let you guys know, it looks like the COVID-19 stuff is kind of slowing down, but it's, it's still there. We were wondering your guys' opinion on if you'd want us to do a giveaway, if you guys, with the COVID going on, would be more than happy to receive stuff, or if you'd rather us wait until the COVID-19 is completely over with. Which is what we were gonna do just in case. That way, you guys wouldn't be worried about what's like in your box and it containing possible viruses or something.
No idea why the like little booklet is like halfway. Do you see it? It's like not all the way in there. It's like halfway
that is
out.
weird.
That's kind of weird. Okay, go
so
on.
in the comments below, though, if you guys could let us know if you'd like to have us send you stuff before this COVID is over with. If we can, we could do a giveaway like the next week, let's say, if you guys would want us to do that, or if you'd rather wait. Yeah, that looks like a really weird thing. But yeah, just let us know in the comments.
Okay, on to products. Yeah, I'm not sure why that was like hanging halfway out of the box, but that's okay. Okay, I have Dr. Brandt's Clean Biotic pH Balanced Yogurt Cleanser with Chlorophyll.
Ooh. I wonder if that's like a balm. It says it melts away dirt, pollution, makeup, and excess oil while maintaining skin's balance.
And we like things that are like balms that turn to oils, so that's really good.
Yeah, we'll see what that does.
And then, ooh, this is like a fully packed hydropeptide hydroactive cleanse, anti-wrinkle plus detox 30 treatments.
Micellar facial cloth. It says wipes infused with micellar water remove impurities without drying out your skin.
That's good. And then I have by Terry hyaluronic hydro powder.
And it says it's a colorless matte powder.
Hold it that way.
Colorless matte powder sets your summer makeup look as it smooths and hydrates too. So that one hydrates somehow.
And then, let's see, LMS Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. So is this like a second
There's
balm?
the balm.
Oh, this is the
other
balm.
one's like a cleanser. I just was wondering
okay.
It says dissolve the day's grime and refresh your skin with this facial cleansing balm. Which those are what I love. I can't always find them in stores and stuff.
And then, this came with a lot, but I think it always does. Skin Medica HA5 Rejuvenating Hydrator.
It says hyaluronic acid delivers 8 hours of continuous moisture and feels lightweight on skin.
And then I have DHC's Mild Lotion Natural.
This says soothe and balance skin with this refreshing toner powered by cooling cucumber.
I feel like I'm getting that black dust all over my fingers again, but that's okay. And then SkinCeuticals Physical Fusion UV Defense Sunscreen SPF 50 Broad Spectrum.
It says this water-resistant tinted mineral sunscreen provides broad spectrum protection and boosts radiance. That's cool. So it's a tinted moisturizer, basically.
And then I think it's the last thing, but I'll make sure. Yeah, last thing. Okay, last thing is Facial in a Flash Mask Series. Lines Be Gone Rose Gold Mask, Anti-Aging and Lifting Skin Ink.
That's what I need. Except I don't like masks. It says relax and target fine lines with this anti-aging hydrogel mask infused with pure gold. I don't know. That doesn't like if it says pure gold, I don't care that it's got pure gold in it. How's that good for the skin? I have no idea. Unless it's like a mineral compound or something. I mean, it's possible. I'm just like, that's not what draws me in. I'd rather like fresh herbs or something. But that was it for this video. I can't remember how much this box is. Is it like 30?
I think it's a $26-something one, isn't
it's almost
it?
30.
I believe.
But if it was fast enough for you, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to leave a comment about whether you want us to do a giveaway sooner than later. And we'll catch you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.